Hello everyone, let's try to draw handheld Pikachu. Okay, since the Pikachu is held, you can see his facial expressions. Okay, so first I'm drawing the outline of Pikachu. I'm going to draw on top and erase so I can get rid of the unnecessary lines later. So we are almost done. I'm drawing the hand now of the person who's holding Pikachu and the other hand. And the tail and his cheeks. And his fingers and his eyes. He looks a little annoyed to be held like that. Okay, I'm drawing his mouth again. And there are little lines inside for the borders of the shadow. And you can see his expression, his frowning expression. And I'm coloring the eyes. And I'm leaving the white part, as you can see in the picture. And I'm drawing his ears, the tip of his ears. And I'm drawing on top of the light sketch, making it darker, and I'm erasing along the way the light lines. Over here I'm going to color it a little to show that it's a different color, because I'm not going to color this time. This as well, I'm just coloring a little bit, faintly, not too dark. And the shadow of the tail as well. And I'm erasing to get rid of the unnecessary lines. And I'm going to draw on top and erasing again. And this part is very dark, so I'm going to color it like full. And I erased the parts that protruded from the lines. I'm coloring the cheeks. Draw a circle on the cheek circle one more time. And the tail again. Erase the unnecessary lines. And I'm coloring the shadow a little more, and I'm blurring it. You can blur it with, you can do it with anything. Actually, you can get a little piece of paper and do it on top, like try to scrub it. Or you can get an eraser and don't erase it, but rub it against the paper very softly, and you can get that color, so you don't see the strokes. I'm going to do it to all the parts that needs that. I'm going to do that to the hands that's holding Pikachu, the cheeks, and the shadows. Everything's going to be smudged like that, and you'll see later that they'll look way better than just leaving it like before, where you can see all the strokes. Yes, and I'm going to fix little by little. So you can see that I'm going to correct Pikachu now. I'm almost done. Actually, I'm done, but I just want to fix it a little by erasing unnecessary lines and blurring it a little more. So, okay. So next time I'm going to draw some other Pikachus, I guess, for the time being. So if you want to learn how to draw other Pikachus, please subscribe and like, and turn on the notifications if you want to see and be updated with other drawings that I'm going to do. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. So, okay.